Video 13 of 24. Visualization Guided Meditation Practice. Let's begin by performing a simple hand mudra. Hold both your hands upwards, bringing your elbows close to your body. With your palms facing outwards, close down your little finger and your ring finger on both hands, clasping them with your thumb. And allow your ring finger and your middle finger on both hands to remain upright. This hand mudra helps to stretch the shoulders while at the same time inspiring joy and peace. Holding the hand mudra, breathe in deeply and exhale. And again. And one last time. And allow your hands to relax in a comfortable position on your lap. And sitting upright with your feet flat on the ground, your shoulders back, spine erect, chin parallel to the floor, close your eyes. And allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. And bring your awareness to that space in the center of your forehead, your mind's eye. And allow your inner gaze to settle there. Looking into your mind's eye, see a smile. Kind, benevolent, peaceful smile. This can be the smile of someone you know, or someone who's of importance to you. Anyone. See the smile. Allow your inner gaze to flow to it. Focus your attention on it. There's no need to strain. Just imagine the smiling image looking back at you through your mind's eye. Feel the presence of the smile. Kind, peaceful, benevolent. It's quite normal that you might be distracted by what's going on around you, or what's going on in your mind. Simply redirect your focus to the smile. Allow your awareness to flow uninterrupted towards it. Let all opinions, all thoughts, all ideas, memories, all mental movements pass by. Look at the smile and allow your awareness to be absorbed in it. Now bring your awareness to your heart. See the smiling image. Feel its presence. Allow your entire being to merge with it. And rest in this state of clarified awareness.